I'm Zishansha and welcome to Z Interactive Premium tutorial about how to create retro television and substance designer from scratch. So we have created this frame and the inset of the frame. Now in this tutorial, we will create the screen. And screen, as I told you before, is like bulged and it's like puffed from outside. It's like curved. It's more like convex, like convex, like sort of a curve out going out like from outward. Okay, from outside. That's what we are going to create here. So what I'm going to do here is let's check where we have this frame. I will take this from here, this screen, the same in from where we created the inset. Okay, and make a new transform out of it. And I will change the tiling mode, absolute, no tiling. And with the control shift, I will make it smaller. And what I will do here is that I will add a blur to it, and intensity higher, even more higher. I will increase it to very high amount of value, something like this, or maybe higher than this, but I'll keep it like right now I'll keep it as it is. Later on I will decide if I want to increase it or not. So now what I will do is that I will copy paste this transform, so I don't have to change the position of it. Everything will be on the spot wherever I need it. So I will go and add this to new blending node and keep it add. And you can see this, how it is creating a bulge. And this is where the bulge is going. Okay. So I just have to increase the size of it. As bigger, I will make this. Okay, let's double click that because it wasn't showing. Single click on this, double click on it, and you can see that what sort of an effect I'm getting there. Notice that it is affecting on whole frame, so that means we need an opacity mask here, but let's do this settings first. And I think I need to do some more stuff here. I will add levels here and reduce the levels white amount there, so it will not stick out that much, just like a normal curve we wanted that our retro television used to have. Okay, almost there. What I will do here is that I will take this and use it as a mask, opacity mask for this blend node. What will happen? All the effect will be inside here. Now you can see there's no effect there. It's only in this opacity mask. So basically I've just restricted to not to go outside this the mask. Let's do changes there because it looks very pinchy from the middle, so that's one not I want, so I have to do some changes here. So I'll make it a little bit bigger. And going to put this curved. And let's see how bigger the curve should be. So I will take this transform here, and where I created the level, the opacity mask, I'll increase this transform, so the opacity mask will also increase and it will affect the surrounded areas. This is the point, the corner where I want the most, like the effect to be there as well. So we'll do some more changes and see how we can get the better result. So I will take this levels. I mean this level, sorry. And I will try to reduce it a little bit more, just to see how the effect is working. Yep. Now it has become flat, which I don't want. So I have to come to a sweet spot where it looks, where everything looks good. So let's take this transform from here and copy it. And connect this shape to it. Let me do this the whole thing. Otherwise it will not look good. I always keep everything neat and clean and organized, otherwise it is hard to work. So I have used this opacity mask. You can see that this much more bigger mask, and it is creating much more better result here. Let's arrange this. Let's add a blur here, Gaussian blur. You're getting a good, we are getting good effect, but side, just notice the sides. Sides doesn't look good. We have to increase the value that the sides won't get affected. So now it's fine. A little bit there is one issue on the bottom, but it's not that visible. But let's see if we can fix it. Okay. If we increase the intensity of the blur, it affects the like the bottom and side part and the top parts. So we have to just keep changing and until we get the right spot. So I will add another blending node here, put it in the foreground so I can play with uh, the cropping options here, so that whatever is, if it is affecting the sides and everything, so we can fix that. No, it's not doing the part I was looking for. This 8-bit, so I have to change it to 16-bit. Okay, but still you can see that, yeah, the gap is actually there, it's not removing or something. Trying to achieve the result I'm looking for. Okay, fine. Later on, we can also increase it once we will work on the back side. So obviously we have to increase the height value. There we can fix it more. Just trying to check the intensity here for now. So I'm trying different values here just to see which suits it. So let's play with the blur a little bit more unless we get the right result. You can see the effect is still there. Do one thing. Take this blur, this fuzzy blur, or keep it as it is. Just take this level node here for this curved screen, and I will try to increase uh, the white value here so it will pop up more. Let's move on the side view, increase it so we can see when it is coming out of the screen. On the side, it's safe. It's not showing that it is coming out of the screen. Okay. Instead of this shape that I'm using for the screen, you can use a paraboloid spherical shape or spherical circular radial like gradient. You can use it. So you'll get the same effect there. Okay. But the corner will be too deep, and that we don't want. So try if you can use that instead of this screen shape and blur it out. Just use the radial gradient directly. So that's it. Let's add a frame here. Make it smaller. Move these on the top here. Keep everything neat. Otherwise, it will be very hard to locate the nodes. So keep on saving and keep on working. So I hope you have learned something from this like tutorial. Thanks a lot everyone for becoming member of my premium membership plan, and thanks everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off, and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all, therefore help me to get new subscribers. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.